Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on social media. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, social media has become an important part of our daily lives. Second line is, it consists of websites and apps that let people connect with each other online. Third line is, popular examples include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Fourth line is, it allows us to stay connected with friends and family. Fifth line is, it is also a great way to learn new things and stay informed. Sixth line is, it can also be used to raise awareness about important issues. Seventh line is, but spending too much time on these platforms can lead to addiction. Eighth line is, there is also the risk of encountering misinformation, cyberbullying, and privacy issues. Ninth line is, so it is important to use it wisely and in moderation. Last line, that is line number 10 is, this way it will be a powerful tool for us.